Hello guys, this is Rachit Roshan here, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, D.Y.Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi, Pune. Here I am to deliver a short lecture on Introduction to Engineering Graphics. So, first of all, we'll know what is engineering graphics. It is a type of technical drawing which is used to clearly define the engineering items such as its views, dimensions and necessary informations. More than drawing pictures, it is also a language, a graphical language that communicates ideas and information from one mind to another. Now, the question comes, why engineering graphics? Engineering drawings are used to fully and clearly define the requirements of an engineered item. An engineering drawing communicates what is required, wanted and needed to enable resources to be expended to turn an idea into reality. The drawing and any ancillary documents also protect the worker, manufacturers, if they have conveyed the requirements of the drawings correctly from any liability if the end product is wrong. If the information is wrong, liability would lie in the hands of the engineer. Now, before starting with the introductory part, guys, you should know your syllabus in this semester 2020. Syllabus has been changed as compared to the last semester and credit score of the subject is now 2. So, the syllabus content is Unit 1, we are having Fundamentals of Engineering Drawing. Unit 2, Introduction to 2D and 3D Computer Aided Drafting Packages. Unit 3 is Engineering Curves. Unit 4 is Orthographic Projection. Unit 5 is Isometric Projection. Unit 6 is Development of Lateral Surfaces. So, our Unit 1 is Fundamentals of Engineering Drawing. Now, sheet layout. Here is the sample sheet layout. Okay. Now, types of lines and dimensions. Here we go. And we will study simple geometrical constructions. Now, Unit 2, Introduction to 2D and 3D Computer Aided Drafting Packages. Topic 1 is Evolution of CAD. We will study how demand of CAD model came into existence. Then, importance of CAD. You know, with a CAD software, we can design any of the complex design and do its analysis virtually, which can save our lots and lots of fund. Then we'll study about basic commands, then application to construct 2D and 3D drawings. We have got AutoCAD, Pro E, Creo, CATIA, Hypermesh, etc. etc. In fact, here in DYP you can learn these softwares which gonna make you a perfect design engineer in future. Now, Unit 3, Engineering Curves, Introduction to Conic Sections and its significance, the parabolas, the hyperbolas, the ellipse. Now guys, these play a very important role in engineering things. The parabola has many important applications, from a parabolic antenna or a parabolic microphone to automobile headlight, reflectors and design of ballistic missiles. Then we will learn methods to construct it, helix for cone and cylinder. I think you all are very much familiar to these shapes and curves, and slowly you will get to know about the importance of these curves in engineering. As a design engineer, definitely you're gonna fall in love with these curves. Rolling curves, involutes and cycloid are also in our syllabus. Spirals too. Then our unit 4 is orthographic projection. Principle of projections: first angle projection, third angle projection, orthographic projection of point, line, plane, solid, machine animals. Let me explain you first what is orthographic projection. Here we go.
Orthographic projection is a means of representing three-dimensional objects in two dimensions. It is a method of projection in which an object is depicted using parallel lines to project its outline onto a plane. Guys, here on the screen you can see a 3D model of a house. As you can see, doors, windows. So this is a kind of front view of this house. Now what if you want to see left hand side of the house or right hand side of the house? Suppose if you want to see left hand side of the house, we'll just click on this and you can see left hand side view. Back to front view now. And if you want to see right hand side view of this house, the view will be something like this. What if you want top view of this house? This is the top view of the house. Back to front view.
Our unit 5 is isometric projection. Introduction to isometric projection, perspective projection, orthographic view to isometric view. As you are new to the subject engineering graphics, you will ask, sir, what is isometric projection? So, an isometric projection is a method for visually representing 3D objects in 2D in technical and engineering drawing. It is an axonometric projection in which the three coordinate axes appear equally foreshortened and angle between any two of them is 120 degrees.
So guys, here you can see a square on the screen, but it's not exactly a square. This is a cube, and from here you can see the front view of the cube. This is the top view, and this is the side view. What if you want to see isometric view of this cube? So let me show you isometric view of this cube will be. This is the isometric view of this 3D object.
And the last but not the least is development of lateral surfaces. In this unit, we are going to study about introduction to development of lateral surfaces, its industrial applications, development of lateral surfaces for cut sections of a cone, pyramid and prism. Again the question comes, sir, what is development of lateral surfaces? Lateral surfaces we know, but what is development of lateral surfaces? So see this video and I think it will be much clear after watching this video. A surface development is the unfolding or unrolling a flat or a plane figure of a 3D object. It is also called a pattern where the plane may show the true size of each area of the object. So guys, stay tuned. Thank you.